secondary school for Numa any Niema or so Massase or Mane comedy or Momon how a mania Titiaman and Akufo do Bois. What I say, but some almost around one young one, more promising free such near my baby Montimania, and so now Akufo do Yenina, wait now your time and nay, I say, sheer hatred be, I say, or year be, and a debut on person day, or Mudi Gunana Akufo do abandon anymore, say, and you know. The anasi committee no mutia enye because auditor general di kan mu dada enti omunti committee bia na enti committee bia tena na nya sanketwa Abrante Afenyo market say committee na NDC for say ye ntino mu ni evidence bia na mom adwembone ene techiri enya sanketwa mu yanko parliament wo mra na nya sanketwa Abrante Afenyo market
Honorable Kesel Atro Forces, my very respected friend, knows that he has some tools available at his disposal. Under 66-67, you can file a question if you say there were some irregularities. For the record, you do not ask any question regarding COVID-19 expenditure. You are asking regarding COVID-19 expenditure. You have not asked any question. That is why I dare say that your application is being mounted in bad faith. If you believe that agencies of government have misapplied, have failed to properly account for, why having to file a question specifically aimed at a minister, that will give you the required result. So, Mr. Speaker, I dare contend again that until that tool is exhausted, this application in its form and shape and before the substance is in bad faith. It is only part of the partisan politicking and nothing more. It is part of your partisan politics and nothing more. It is not for the good of Ghanaians. It is aimed at confusing Ghanaians, misleading Ghanaians, and creating certain impressions about this government. Because you know that you could not promise free SHS. This government has promised and delivered. You know that this government, in terms of infrastructure, has done all it can to improve on the livelihood of Ghanaians. And you know that there's a 2024 election. This is political. You know that the investment that government is making in the private sector, and that is causing you heart attack, headaches, and you want to find a way of misleading Ghanaians. You know, Mr. Speaker, this motion must not in any way be entertained. Mr. Speaker, this preliminary legal objection must be ruled upon by you. You must uphold my submission and throw them out, Mr. Speaker. Dismiss it. Mr. Speaker, 3.
A member of parliament for to deputy majority leader or Afenyo Markina to Jasano, a Jimpone and Omokasi, Yanti committee here, Skenimunia, the Discano, so Yadika Chen, Yadia, that the auditor general, so Humudada, and Najimpa and a teacher, we know, Joe Wise at Temuno say, when Afenyo Markin Yadjuni, Yabatu, Yanti committee be as Sikabi. Yanti committee biase risk be a mobium biafan and some from Free Conwa. Justice. Babu the quiz speak of parliament. You because every party living that to be a
preliminary objection raised by the deputy majority leader. If I understand the preliminary objection correctly, it seems to suggest that the motion ought not have been admitted. Therefore, it questions the propriety of the motion before the House. And in presenting the preliminary objection, the honourable member draws the House's attention to the constitutional imperatives. Now, let me start by looking at the motion itself. The motion before the House is numbered item 21, and it reads that this Honorable House constitutes a bipartisan parliamentary committee chaired by a member of the Minority Caucus to inquire into the expenditures made by Ghana government in relation to COVID-19 since the outbreak of the pandemic in the year 2020. So I would have thought that for a bipartisan committee, or by whatever name we call it, we will be referring to Order 191, a special or ad hoc committees, since the bipartisan committee is neither a select committee or a standing committee. So let me read Order 191 for our guidance. The House may at any time, by motion, appoint special or ad hoc committee to investigate any matter of public importance, to consider any bill that does not come under the jurisdiction of any of the standing or select committees of the House. A matter of public importance or a bill which does not come under the jurisdiction of any of the standing or select committees of the House. And I think that should be the guiding principle. The matters that we're called upon to set a committee to investigate, can we say they do not come under any of the select or standing committees of the House? Yes. In my view, it falls squarely within the Public Accounts Committee. And indeed, all the committees of the House, including the Public Accounts Committee, are bipartisan. And the Public Accounts Committee, by nature, is designed to be chaired by the minority. So in all its forms, in all the questions related to the Public Accounts Committee, if it is minded to investigate anything related to the COVID expenditure, it fully stays with the authority and the power to investigate that, particularly because all the accounting of it have been provided for in the budget, which budgets have been presented before the House, and it is before the committee anyway. This motion ought not to have been admitted and is improperly before the House, as so rule.
Joe wise man. I brought be serious. Young quiet anyway. And Bibi Hoa, never can.
Alizato.
Yabuatu, we have COVID-19.
Alizato.
COVID-19, him. And this is for more person.
Alizato. Once after them, MPP for me in the Pamon for.
Then it's just NPP for anybody.
Also being Pamon for.
Dintra.
Once after them, says, Commander, watch me.
Me, who is NPP for him? Who was my family member?
Once after all, say, oh, sorry,